Hello, I'm back, and let me just turn my volume all the way up. Disaster, shake zone, shaky, 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 shake your rump. Disaster has struck. We've lost a lot of my stuff, but I don't care because I was intending to anyways. Because all of my stuff is really bad and stuff. So today, I'm going to be building a smelter. Uh, and I've got this, which, yeah, if I find diamonds, I'll be like, I know I have grout somewhere. Warp. Let's visit Jerry. Jerry! Oh yeah, Jerry drowned. Please don't taunt me, Jerry. Ooh, music lessons. Glass, sweet. Bhutan. Bone brick, I could take this. Alright, and home. Boing. Kitty. Kitty cat cat kitty cat kitty cat kitty cat cat kitty cat kitty cat kitty 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 cat kitty cat kitty cat kitty kitty cat 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 kitty cat kitty cat kitty. Um, bricks. All right. Craft potato. Uh, and sand. I don't have any sand. Where's my gravel then? I've got gravel. Alright, let's go and get some gravel. There we go. Whoa, what happened to our boots? What happened to our visor? Just as cool. And boom. Oh, that was a soft landing. I could take that sand, but I don't want to take that sand. To bake that sand. Bake it. Bake that sand. Bake it. Bake that sand. Bake it. Toast. Oh yes. Oh, I'm starving. Cedric, help me. Demonstration of its power. Did you see that? I just dug straight down. And I got 2 from that. Do you mind? There we go. Gravel. Found the gravel. We found the gravel. We found the gravel. Don't ask. It's good enough. Mud. Whoa. Whoop. 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 As long as he's a... Oh, is that good? Yes, watch this. Oh, it didn't work. Maybe it doesn't work in gold? Or redstone, maybe. Let's find some diamonds. Blue bolt. Just wait. It doesn't quite matter. I can do this and no, not this one. Um this one, I think. I just this is probably gonna get weird. Which Brewcrest is talking? Which I'm getting confused already. And let's start off with a bit of lighter music. Mm. Ha! Okay, why? I don't know. Just because. Alright, let's try to find our inventory place. You're probably getting really confused. Probably getting really confused right now. Oh. So, yeah, let's, what is all that rumpus? The blue bolt. I think it was slime and something red. Let's try to find out. Alright. Whoa! What did I do? Oh well. Whoa! What happened here? What happened while I was away? What happens in the bedroom stays in the bedroom. It's actually kind of pretty creepy. So I think it was slime to... We can rebuild! We have the tech... Why did I just do that? String... If you're wondering why I just stopped, I just heard the most horrifying noise ever come through these speakers. There's another rack. I'm the door to get a flippin' fall. Getting flippin' full, flippin' full, flippin' full. What did I make it out of? Did I actually make out a legit string? Oh no. Ender pearls. Okay, string. Where's the string? You know what? I get to do this. String. 1, 2, 3. You saw nothing. Mm. Then if I go over to here, go like this, take my redstone. The blue bolt is back. Oh, dang it, I messed up. Just wait. Okay, I have the blue bolt back, and there's a phone going off. It was a school. It was a school! I stopped the video for a school. It's actually kind of a good cause, but... We need arrows! We need specialized arrows. I believe you can make slime fletchlings as well. Yeah! Just make a bunch of these. After after this, we're gonna, it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. Sticks. 12 of these. And 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Now we just put this here, and that's caps lock. Bam! 12. Now we just need arrowheads. 12. Arrowhead. Arrowhead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we can make 12 arrows. Let's do this. I'm ready. Unbreakable. What was that? Best glitch ever. It's just like, oh crap, this guy's so awesome. Apparently don't shift click, or it'll make that noise. And but anyways, just jump down the elevator shaft, it'll be fine. Then it, oh, let's test it out. Oh, come on. Blow up, I dare you to! I dare you to! Ha! I fired a real arrow. Down the shaft. Can't see a thing, can't see a thing, can't see a thing. Oh, got torch is good. What I need to do is no! Home. Build! What are all these? Test zone, stronghold, redwood, forge. Forge. Oh. Next time I'll have my hammer equipped. If you know what I mean. Where is it go? Where does it go? We're gonna have to make it open. Everything's getting buggy. Buggy. Let's make a forge room is gonna be right here. This is gonna be the forge room. Forge room. I watched Into Darkness last night. It's pretty good. Ugh. These boots are coming in handy. Well, my visor. Boom! How much do we have? 24. I dropped it. Oh! I just noticed I was about to drown and like. Let's get back inside and out of the leg. Okay, I don't know what I just was doing, but I don't really care. I don't really care. I don't.